Hello, students and viewers. I hope you guys are doing great. I apologize for the delay in releasing this video. I had intended to create a comprehensive tutorial, but unfortunately, I fell ill. I was sick for the last couple of days. Thankfully, I'm feeling much better now. But rest assured, I'm diligently working on bringing you an exhaustive video. As the saying goes, great things take time to build, and I'm working on it. Trust me. I wanted to emphasize that my goal extend beyond simply teaching you Python. I aim to instill in you the confidence to excel in Python and its related interviews. Honestly, I have reviewed numerous, you can say a lot of Python videos on YouTube. And I have noticed an opportunity to not only teach you Python, but also provide personalized support until you successfully secure a great job, a job that you wanted or you want. Please don't hesitate to comment and tag me if you encounter any challenges in your interview preparation. I'm committed to supporting you until you land the great job. Remember, this is a collaborative effort, and so I expect the same level of dedication and enthusiasm from you. Together, I promise we will overcome any obstacle and achieve success. If you go through my videos dedicatedly, I promise you will have to work very hard to fail in Python. I won't let you fail. Now let's review the course details, and then after this, I will be working on the next video, and it should be available soon, like in 3 4 days. Let's see. So the first one. Is the Python. The first slide is Python course comprehensive overview. And then again, like I said, I'm very passionate about AI, and that's where I have started from the very basic, from the very beginning, Python. And we will slowly embark on an AI fantasy journey. Okay, so what are the expectations? Please hold your questions. We will have several Q&A sessions in my channel once I feel that it's time for a Q&A. Be focused on task. If you are watching my videos, try not to work ahead or fall behind. So once you finish your video, once you complete the video, then only you move to the next video. Be passionate about Python, AI, and ML. Don't waste your time if you don't like Python. And again, it's a I'm just saying because I want people who are passionate should come to my channel to learn Python, to learn AI ML technique. I don't want to waste anyone's time. Even if people come and they view, I get viewership. I get even if they subscribe, I get subscription. But I don't want that. I want people who are passionate about Python and AI ML. They should come. They should learn something, and they should achieve something so that I feel good and you also feel good. Please bear with me as I create videos. I assure you, I am dedicated to working tirelessly to produce new and distinctive content for you. Again, the expectations are, I have numbered it wrong, but that's fine. A number of videos per week. I will try to bring at least 2 videos per week. It's my promise. It can be more than two, but my commitment is 2 weeks per 2 videos per week. Initially, I will focus mostly on Python. I will begin by uploading Python videos, and over time, I will introduce AI ML course as well. I will put some videos on latest AI ML techniques like what is LLM, what is NLP. First, we will have to discuss about NLP, and then we will slowly move to LLM, and we will try to distinguish between what exactly is NLP and what exactly is LLM, and so on. There are several new AI technique. We will be discussing all those in our videos. I will. Um, I'll put, like I said, I'll put the latest AI ML techniques. So please be patient. We will eventually arrive at our destination and with joy, of course. Last but certainly not the least, you won't come across this exclusive content elsewhere. I have meticulously crafted this course, investing countless hours to ensure its uniqueness. It's my promise that you will be in good hands. This course offers a distinctive approach to learning and excelling in interviews. What is today's agenda? Today's agenda is 3.1. I will now discuss the skills that will be covered and outline all the Python courses that I plan to introduce here in the next several videos. It will be an iterative process, and hence I will add modified topics as needed. So if I feel like no, I need to cover an extra or an additional topic, definitely I'll cover that. And I will also monitor the comment section. If I see like there are comments like, hey, why did you not go through this particular topic? I will take that comment, and if I think like that's needed, that should be part of that particular Python videos. So I will definitely create exclusive video for that particular topic if I find it interesting. Let's venture together on this wonderful AI journey. What are the skills that will be covered in depth? Python programming. Even if you don't know anything about Python, please be assured that I will teach from the very basic. You just need to have a computer or a laptop, and I will teach you how to download, how to install each and everything from the very basic. We will discuss about data analysis and visualization. We will talk about data mining, recommended system using Python, time series, a statistical foundation, review question, and most importantly, interview tips. I will always try to give interview tips during the videos, like when someone asks something like this in an interview, how should you respond? And there is no right or wrong. It's only like the other side of the table, people should understand that you have a comprehensive knowledge about Python or AI/ML technique, and that you can talk on that and what they are trying to understand. You just give those kind of answer or statement. It's not like you are giving a world full of. You don't have to. They are looking for only might be two or three statement, and you have to understand. And that's where we will discuss in our videos. Like you should respond something like this. So, like I said, our learning guide includes introduction to Python. So we will definitely go through the fundamentals covering how to install Python on your computer and execute your first program. In just a handful of videos, I promise you will master the essentials of data analysis with Python. This YouTube course will introduce you to the Python interface and explore widely used packages. Then we will cover Python fundamentals, um, again, just to supercharge your programming skills. Intermediate Python, then we will slowly move towards, we will prepare to skyrocket your data science skill as we delve in crafting dynamic visualization with Matplotlib and expertly manipulating data frames with pandas. I promise, get ready for a superb journey, I can tell you, and a journey which you will cherish. Now, writing functions in Python is one where I believe that I should create a individual video because that's a very interesting topic and very essential topic. So we will definitely cover writing functions in Python. Working with dates and times is one where definitely I'll create a video. Software engineering principles in Python, very important topic. We'll learn about abstraction, encapsulation, separation of concerns, single responsibility principle, don't repeat yourself. All those software engineering principles and standards we will be discussing in this particular topic. Then we will definitely work towards object-oriented programming in Python. Then we will go through regular expression, data structure and algorithm, very interesting and very powerful topic in Python. Then writing efficient Python code. Anyone can write a Python code, but for writing an efficient, everyone is great, but from great to awesomeness is a distance where I think we will discuss in this section how to write efficient Python code. Developing Python packages. So we will develop Python packages. We will write code, test, document, packaging, distribution, versioning, how to version our code, how to maintain updates for creating high quality Python packages. We will discuss each and everything. And when I was creating this particular topic, I also thought that we should create a specific topic on unit testing, not only for Python but for data science mostly. So I will try to delve into topics such as test design, test setup, writing tests, mocking, and fixtures, and then so on and so forth. While this is not mandatory, but exploring these areas is highly recommended. So to gain a comprehensive understanding of Python's testing ecosystem, and that's where I will cover this. If you don't want to go through it, you can just skip and come back again when you want to know the basic of unit testing. Then we will discuss about importing data in Python. Then how to clean data in Python will be the second topic or the next topic. Then we will discuss about the scraping in Python. Working with categorical data in Python is an interesting topic. We will go through all those things which I have put here. So very interesting, and I'm very passionate about this particular section. So yes, we will discuss that. Time series analysis in Python, definitely will go through it. Manipulating time series data in Python, these are correlated topics. We'll go through them. And then slowly and slowly we'll move towards statistics. So in this section, we will cover basic concepts in statistics, descriptive statistics, inferential statistics. But like I said, don't worry about all those things. Don't feel overwhelmed. My experience will guide you through. This is my promise. I will present the content in a very easily understandable manner, making it very easy to digest. And I promise you will find it straightforward to grasp and apply these concepts. So even if you have zero knowledge about statistics, don't worry about it. When we will go through this topic, definitely I will try to give very basic knowledge about statistics and how we are using statistics in data science that we will discuss. Some of the topics that are in pipeline, I have not gone through it extensively. I'm still thinking how to present those topics. Those topics are interesting, and I will definitely present those topics. It's only like it's in pipeline. That's why I have not elaborated it. Those are hypothesis testing, statistical thinking in Python, sampling, getting started with Python in finance. So in finance is a domain where we use Python for sure. And I come from a finance background. So definitely I would like to explore this topic a little bit more so that you understand if you have a passion to go towards finance or you are working in finance, then you should be able to understand what we are going to learn there. Similarly, there are a lot of things. Practicing coding interview questions is one area where I will focus a lot. Like what kind of questions are being asked in Python, in AI, whether you have 1 year experience, 2 year experience, or 5 year experience. I will try to create that content interview videos in such a way that everyone should get benefit out of it. Again, Python learning guide and the topics that are in pipeline, it's continued. So we will also understand the overview of an AI ecosystem. What is an AI? What exactly? Because AI in the market, though we are from data science field, but when people want to understand AI or when they discuss about AI, a lot of people are there who are not in data science. They think like AI is something, it's a big jargon in the industry. It's not like that. We will discuss about AI ecosystem, what is AI as a tool or ecosystem, and that then what is machine learning inside that particular ecosystem, what is deep learning, so on and so forth. We'll discuss. I'll create a very good, I believe, a good video for this particular topic. Then again, we will discuss about machine learning. We'll discuss about model validation, hyperparameter tuning, unsupervised learning. What is supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and then what is reinforcement learning. So we'll go through all these three categories, but we will see when we reach there. Last but not the least, like I said, difference between NLP, LLM, we will discuss winning a Kaggle competition in Python, how to win that particular competition. I will also give some tips for that. And all the latest and most exciting AI innovation, we'll be discussing that. Now, you need to contact me regarding any topic. simply drop a comment on the relevant video and I'll make sure to respond to your question. Reach out to me through LinkedIn. I have means you can search me with my name. My name is Santosh Sinha, and in Dallas, Texas. You can just search me, and you can get connected with me. You can connect with me if you want. And last but not the least, if you find my videos engaging and you appreciate my effort, I would say like you subscribe, you like my video, you subscribe and click on the bell icon. This will ensure you receive immediate notification whenever I upload a new video, and this will give me a lot of inspiration that people are watching and they are liking my content, a unique content which I will create. I will invest a lot of time. I have invested a lot of time, and I promise that I'll be investing a lot of time. So I need your help. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. And all I can say is like, thank you for all your support. Um, Stay tuned for my next video. It should be there in like next 2 to 3 days, max 4 days, but I don't think it should take that long. My next video should be coming in 2, 3 days. Thank you again for your time. That's it.